If it's boiler and central heating installations you need, one call to Plumb Call and it's sorted. Our team of experts are gas-safe registered as well as Offtech approved oil heating engineers. When planning your new heating system, we design and install above and beyond your expectations. You'll be pleased that our quotations are transparent and there are no hidden costs. We offer up to 10-year guarantees on selected boilers and all work carried out comes with a 1-year guarantee. We offer a full aftercare service to keep you in line with your boiler's warranty. For your heating installation and design, call Plumb Call or visit us online today.